Now, as our weather changes and sea levels rise, we could start experiencing even higher than average flooding as early as next month. All this according to the Department of Conservation and Recreation. News 3 reporter Penny Commit tells us what you should know as we approach another hurricane season.
Overflowing waterways and cars literally in the middle of the street. These sights are nothing new to Hampton Roads resident Amy Dellum.
So every time there's a big storm event or a huge tidal event, it will impact our property.
Amy lives near the Hague and every few months finds herself warning her neighbors of incoming tides.
We've knocked on neighbors' doors to let them know that the tide was higher than expected and maybe it's time for them to move their car.
But there are some steps you can take.
Know your risk, protect your property, and get flood insurance.
That's Angela Davis with Virginia's Department of Conservation and Recreation, who says it's time to clean your gutters.
All of the fall leaves that have collected in your gutters can start to clog those and cause water to back up into your home.
Some other solutions so you don't end up kayaking to work: seal any cracks in your home's foundation, plant a rain garden to collect excess water, and most importantly, get flood insurance, something only 3% of Virginians currently have.
Homes were taken off their foundations, and unfortunately, there was one fatality. If people saw what I saw in that disaster setting, I'm certain everybody would take it a lot more serious.
And help may be on the way. Earlier this year, Norfolk received $249 million in federal funding to combat flooding, which includes extending the downtown flood wall. DCR is also offering $40 million grants to cities as part of Virginia Community Flood Preparedness Funds. Those communities have until April 8th to apply, and News 3 is staying on top of this story. We'll keep you updated on how your city leaders are working to keep your community safe on WTKR.com. I'm Penny Commit, News 3.